Hello! Right now I will give you 8 best ways to make money with Airbnb. Affiliate programs is one of them, so stay tuned. Finding an excellent source of income is possible if you know how to make money with Airbnb. Millions of people across the world are making big money with Airbnb. It's possible to join this ever-growing number. There are several things that need to be done before you make money with Airbnb. These include finding rates of hotel rooms in your area, getting a room, apartment or house ready to match Airbnb standards, and lots of other groundwork. Number 1. Work for Airbnb. Working for Airbnb is the surest way to make money from this company. Currently, Airbnb has more than 3,000 people around the world on its payroll. Airbnb has head offices in San Francisco, California. However, the company has extensive operations worldwide and offices in several countries outside the US. Airbnb requires staff at its various offices, locations and destinations, as well as remote workers or telecommuters. Additionally, Airbnb hires temporary staff at every location, especially during peak travel seasons. They also offer internship programs in certain categories for students. The company has a constant need for new staff in very specialized and general fields. Whether you are a lawyer or engineer, travel expert, management expert, or a trainee, Airbnb has a job that matches your education and skills. Further, average salaries of Airbnb range between $30,000 and $210,000 per year, depending upon your skills, location, and designation. Number 2. Host with Airbnb. Hosting with Airbnb is very profitable. Thousands of people worldwide earn more than $10,000 per month simply by joining Airbnb as a host. Some have become millionaires, according to various reports. To become a host with Airbnb, you need to rent out a furnished apartment, home, or room to guests arriving at your city from distant locations. These guests are domestic or foreign travelers. Any person of 18 years or older and located anywhere in the world can register as host on Airbnb for free. Once Airbnb confirms your registration as a host, log into your account and list the room, apartment, or house you wish to rent out as a host. Upload excellent images of the property, write its brief description, tick on various amenities such as free Wi-Fi, free parking, and others that you will offer. Also list your terms and conditions on the listing, and of course, the price for the accommodation. If you are hosting, Airbnb offers several features. They allow you to control the types of guests you want. Means you can choose the profile of guests. Airbnb has a strict no discrimination policy. This means you cannot discriminate guests on the basis of their religion or nationality, race and gender, among others. Make sure you read the terms, conditions, and policies carefully before registering as a host. Airbnb has a very transparent, two-way review policy. The guest and host review one another. This ensures you get a fair review. Money for your premises is taken by Airbnb. You get the money if the guest has no complaints with the property and finds it matches your posting. If any complaints do arise, Airbnb gives you an opportunity to rectify the problem quickly. They also protect you against last-minute cancellations by giving you part of the money the guest would pay as rent. Number 3. Airbnb insurance. These are not really ways to make money with Airbnb. However, you can get some money under the clauses of this insurance. These would be unfortunate and undesirable situations. For every confirmed booking of a property, Airbnb offers host guarantee, a $1 million property damage protection. This means your property is safe against any damages that a guest may cause. Additionally, your host gets a $1 million accident cover under host protection insurance. This means your guest has insurance for treatment of any injuries or accidents they might sustain while living on your premises. Generally, these covers supplement your homeowner insurance. Airbnb insurances are in force as long as a guest stays on your property. Number 4. Airbnb ARBITRAGE. Airbnb ARBITRAGE is a system that allows you to become a host and make money with Airbnb without owning property. There is no such official Airbnb system, yet it is a good way to launch a startup that works to make money with Airbnb. Generally, Arbitrage is a system where an investor makes money on the price difference in the market. With Airbnb arbitrage system, you can rent a furnished room, apartment, condo, or house at a top destination. You enter into a long-term lease agreement with the landlord or the property owner. Get explicit permissions from the owner to allow leasing the property through Airbnb. Once you have such property at a hot destination, put it up for hosting on Airbnb at a higher price. Usually the system works well for destinations which are in demand among Airbnb customers. Hence, you will have to do some research to find and shortlist the hottest destinations. But there are major flip sides to Airbnb arbitrage. You will have to put money upfront while leasing accommodation. Also, the agreement has to be long-term to get better rates from the landlord. And most destinations are not in demand around the year, which makes getting customers difficult during off-peak season while you lose money on the lease. You need to make really big money during the peak season. This will cover up any losses due to fever or no guests during off-peak season. Number 5. Offer extras to guests. Once you become a host, there are more ways to make money with Airbnb. Include extras such as breakfast and other meals, travel services, virtual assistant, guided tours and sightseeing, airport home transfers, tickets to events, currency exchange services, and opportunities to host a party or celebration among others. You can charge extra money for these services. If you wish to offer these extra services, mention them explicitly on your Airbnb post. This helps guests to book the service before arrival. Some hosts charge guests for cleaning. However, this can be a major put-off. A guest chooses your accommodation over a hotel for several reasons, and hotels do not charge you for cleaning the room. Number 6. Airbnb referral program. Airbnb has a fantastic referral program, just in case you are unaware. You can earn up to $5,000 per year simply by inviting relatives and friends to join Airbnb as hosts. Inviting relatives, friends, and social contacts to join Airbnb. You need to send them your unique referral code by email, Facebook, or Twitter. You also need to send Airbnb credit with these referral codes. When a relative, friend, or contact travel with Airbnb, you get back 50% of your Airbnb credit and much more credit when they host someone. Airbnb referral program is very generous. You can earn lots of Airbnb credit when your referees host or travel. Airbnb credit gets you free stays for your holidays, or they can be used for a relative who is traveling. Number 7. Airbnb affiliate program. There are 2 distinct affiliate programs to make money with Airbnb. One is the guest affiliate program. Other is host affiliate program. Guest affiliate program. If you have a blog or a website, register as a guest affiliate. You get handsome commissions if someone books accommodation or experience through Airbnb using your affiliate link. Host affiliate program. You have to highlight your experiences as Airbnb host and encourage others to register. You get paid when someone uses your link to sign up as host with Airbnb. Most of these Airbnb affiliate programs are very popular. You can join one immediately and make money with Airbnb. And the last one, Airbnb Open Home. Airbnb Open Homes is a new addition. You cannot make too much money with Airbnb Open Homes. However, the advantage is you need not offer plush rooms to host with Airbnb Open Home. Open Homes is a charity initiative by Airbnb. It allows you to host recovering patients, refugees, newcomers to your city, fresh immigrants, and others who are low on budget or have no money to pay. Airbnb partners with several charities to offer Open Home. Under this system, a charity will send you a guest. The charity pays some money for the accommodation unless you opt to give it free. Thank you for watching this video, and we have a lot more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.